Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. You are running a factory. A consulting firm tells you that if you produce X units of your product per month, your profit will be 1000 S squared minus 200 S plus 600. For that month, you are currently producing S equal 100 units per month. Should you increase production? So now I want to show you how to answer. First, we have the function in here. So we need to do first the derivative of this one. So this one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. So this one we have 2000 S minus 200. And now we need to find about critical points in here. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So S equals to 1 over 10. So if we put about f of 1 over 10 gone here in this function, so we have 590. Now the question, you are currently producing S equal to 100 units per month. So if we put about f of 100, go to this function, so we have this number in here. So we know that this is about S square, so this is about parabola, and that's about the U curve in here. This one 1 over 10 is smaller than 100, but this number is smaller than this number. That means about 100, that's it in here. The small one, that's it in here. So when we compare to this one, we should to increase about the production, because when we increase production, the profit they will go to infinity. So we say yes. This is the end. Thank you for watching.